list of questions here that will answer and will draw out the answers of who Alan is. And after that, you will be known. Are you ready to be known, Alan?
Let's roll. I'm here.
So with that positive note, what is the best sandwich?
Ice cream.
That's a good one. Out of the box thinking. See, off to a good start. Okay. First concert.
Ooh, pass. Can I do that?
Pass.
Yeah, pass. That's a terrible question for me.
Why would you have to pass?
Okay. So
I mean, it is what it is.
I'll start this off by saying I was like 10 or 11, but
That's
my
okay.
mother took me to my first concert.
That is completely acceptable.
Billy Ray Cyrus.
Billy Ray Cyrus.
Y'all don't judge me because that little mullet guy was popular back then.
There's nothing wrong with Billy Ray Cyrus.
Oh, yes, there is.
Favorite smell?
Gosh, that's a hard one. Fresh cut grass.
Okay. Least favorite smell?
Chipotle after it's been in the trash can for about 2 hours.
Okay. Cats or dogs?
I like both as long as they like me, but I don't know. Dogs have a little more personality.
All right. Most used app on your phone?
Strava.
Wow. I think you're going to have to explain.
It's a cycling app. Easy enough.
It's more than just that.
A little bit, but yeah.
It's you're geeking out on something in cycling. You're competing with other people.
I'm a
virtually.
stats guy, so yeah.
What number am I thinking of?
I think I know the answer to this one. 1.
No. When did you start working at UF Innovate? I'll say, well, your determination in terms of when you started working and how it changed since you started.
So I started working in the building in around January of 2019. However, it took about 2 years for the powers that be to realize what a huge mistake they were making by not employing me. So I actually got hired by the building.
I was part of the powers that be.
Yes. So I got hired here in December of 2020.
Yeah. So why did you apply to work here? Because you made a switch. Because I don't think everybody necessarily understands you switched from the physical facilities team to us.
Yes. So because I got a little bit of time to work in the building, I saw people with a purpose. You know, things that happen in this building matter, and I wanted to be a part of it.
Yeah. And I will say we saw that in you, and that's why we made the connection. How do you explain your job to people outside UF Innovate?
The building or my specific job?
It's just the question. You get to answer it.
So I tell them we're a business incubator. We take startups and give them the space, resources, and mentorship to grow their companies and hopefully graduate and go out into the community and create great jobs for people.
Well, that's great. What do you like best about your job?
The people.
What do you like the worst about your job?
This.
Fair enough. What makes you proudest of the work you do?
I take pride in the achievements of the company because I feel like I work with them enough that, you know, I have a little skin in the game.
Sure. Yeah. What do you wish your colleagues knew about the job you do?
I don't know, that I do a whole lot more than just the stuff that everybody sees around the building, the running around hands-on stuff.
Okay. Well, with that, Alan, you are known.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.